Creating consistent characters throughout your scenes has always been a challenge. But thanks to AI, this problem is now easier to tackle than ever before. In this video, I'll show you how you can create custom characters and maintain consistency across all your scenes. The tool we'll be using is called Design A, an all-in-one AI platform with various features, including text-to-video models, image-to-video models, and fine-tuning options for your creations. We'll be focusing on the consistent character feature to help you design characters that remain the same across different angles and scenarios. With just a few simple steps, you can bring your ideas to life and maintain the look and feel of your characters throughout your project. Let's dive in and learn how to build and use your own consistent characters with ease. Overview of Design AI tool. When it comes to AI tools for creators, Design A stands out as an all-in-one platform that offers everything you need to bring your ideas to life. Whether you're a digital artist, video editor, or game developer, Design A simplifies the creation process by providing multiple AI-driven features designed to help you create consistent, high-quality content. At its core, Design A offers two powerful functions: text-to-video and image-to-video models. These models are designed to generate dynamic content from simple text prompts, enabling creators to transform their written ideas into visuals in a matter of seconds. Whether you're looking to create a scene, character, or even a full-fledged animated video, Design A can help you achieve it effortlessly. One of the standout features is the ability to fine-tune models, allowing you to customize the AI to your specific needs. The AI also comes with a variety of pre-trained models that you can use to get started right away. For example, if you're creating characters for a video, you can use the pre-trained models to generate lifelike, consistent characters from scratch. This tool can even adapt to your input, ensuring that every character maintains the same look and feel throughout the project, saving time and effort. Another notable feature of Design A is the AI portrait filters that allow you to enhance and modify your character's look. From facial expressions to hairstyles and clothing, the AI can adjust details and features to match your vision. This means you can tailor every character to your exact specifications without having to go through multiple iterations manually. In addition, Design offers a simple and intuitive user interface, making it accessible for both beginners and experienced creators. Whether you're working on small projects or large-scale productions, Design A provides the necessary tools and flexibility to meet your creative needs. With all of these features combined, Design A positions itself as a must-have tool for creators looking to make consistent, professional quality characters and animations. Creating custom characters with Design. Creating custom characters that reflect your unique vision is one of the most exciting features of Design A. This tool allows you to not only design characters from scratch, but also ensure that they remain consistent across all your scenes, making it perfect for both small and large-scale projects. To get started, you'll need to access the Consistent Character feature within Design A. This feature allows you to create a character, define its look, and then ensure that it maintains that look throughout your entire project. The first step is to click on the New Project button and give your project a name, such as Custom Character Creation. From here, you'll select the aspect ratio for your project. A 16:9 ratio works best for most cases, and you'll be presented with a blank canvas to start your character design. Once you've set up the canvas, you'll notice various options on the left side of the screen. These include upload options, text-to-image, and video options. For creating custom characters, you'll want to scroll down and select the character option, where you'll find the consistent character and character sheet options. The character sheet is the key to building a custom character. By selecting this option, you'll be able to define your character's appearance from multiple angles. Design A offers a variety of styles to choose from, such as realistic, 3D, and cartoon-like designs. These styles give you the flexibility to choose the best visual representation for your character, depending on the tone and atmosphere of your project. Once you select your preferred style, it's time to define your character's appearance in detail. You'll input prompts describing the character's features, like hair color, eye shape, and outfit. For example, you could define your character as a cute girl with large blue eyes and curly brown hair, wearing a red dress and white sneakers. This detailed input ensures that your character is not just visually appealing, but also stays consistent in design as you progress through your scenes. After defining your character, you can generate images from different angles. Design A will automatically create these images, making it easy for you to see your character in various poses and perspectives. You can then download the images, crop them, and upload them to fine-tune the results using the built-in image upscaler. This feature ensures that your character images maintain high quality and clarity regardless of the angle or scene. By following these steps, you can create custom characters that look professional and remain consistent throughout your project, allowing you to focus more on storytelling and animation rather than worrying about character design continuity. Selecting character styles. Once you've accessed the character sheet in Design-A, the next step is selecting the right style for your custom character. Design-A offers a wide range of styles to suit different creative needs, whether you're aiming for realism, a 3D look, or a more stylized design. The realistic styles work great for projects requiring lifelike characters, while the 3D rendered styles add depth and dimension to your creations. If you prefer a more artistic, cartoon-like approach, you can opt for toon portraits or cozy 3D styles. Depending on your project's tone, choose the style that best matches your vision and the atmosphere you want to create for your scenes. Defining your character in the prompt section. The prompt section in Design-A is where you can truly bring your character to life by defining every detail. This is where you'll describe your character's appearance, personality, and even their mood. For example, you might input a prompt like, a young woman with long wavy brown hair, big green eyes, wearing a blue jacket and jeans, standing confidently in a bustling city. The more specific you are in your prompt, the more accurate the AI-generated character will be. Design-A's AI reads these prompts and uses them to create a fully fleshed-out character design, ensuring that the character's appearance matches your vision. You can also experiment with different prompts, tweaking the description to achieve the exact look and feel you want for your project. By using this feature, you gain full control over the creative process, allowing for a personalized and unique character that aligns perfectly with your scene's narrative. Generating and downloading character images. After defining your character in the prompt section, the next step is to generate and download the character images. Once you've input your description, Design-A's AI will process the prompt and create several character images from different angles, allowing you to visualize your creation in 3D. This is where you get to see how your character looks in various poses, providing a more comprehensive view of their design. Once the images are generated, you can select the ones that best match your vision and download them to your computer. These images serve as the foundation for your project, ensuring your character appears consistently throughout your scenes. If necessary, you can further refine or crop the images to fit specific framing needs within your scenes, allowing you to maintain precise control over your character's look. In conclusion, creating consistent characters with Design-A is a game changer for any creator. By using the AI-powered tools, you can design custom characters that stay true to their appearance throughout your entire project, saving you time and effort. Whether you're working on animations, games, or videos, Design-A's flexible styles and precise character generation features make it easier than ever to bring your vision to life. With just a few steps, you can ensure that your characters remain consistent and professional in every scene. Happy creating, and don't forget to explore the full potential of AI for your next project.